Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can unhide games in Steam. So guys, if you want to unhide the game that you have hidden from your profile, then this video is for you. So guys, the first step is to just open your Steam app and make sure you're logged in. As you can see, I've already logged in. So once you're here, just look at the top where you can find view. Just go ahead and tap there. Now you can see options like library, hidden games, soundtracks, downloads, friends, players, and many more. All you need to do is tap on hidden games right here. Just tap on it. Now you can find your hidden game. So guys, once you're here, you can find your game over here. Just double tap here. Now you can see options like add to favorites, add to collections, manage, and properties. Just go ahead and tap on manage. And the first option that appears says remove from hidden. So this is what we need. Just go ahead and tap on remove from hidden, and guys, you have successfully unhidden your game. So just go to library to check whether there's a game or not. So guys, there you go, you can find the game right here. So guys, that's how you unhide games in Steam. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.